CSQX1000C is a new drilling rig developed and upgraded on the basis of retaining the advantages of the original model. It is widely used in geological exploration, resource drilling and engineering drilling survey. The drilling rig adopts Weichai turbocharged engine. It is fully hydraulically driven, and the hydraulic system adopts load-sensitive control, with high pressure and strong power output. The power head is equipped with a lateral translation mechanism, which is convenient for lifting and placing drilling tools. The power head adopts mechanical 2-speed stepless speed regulation, low-speed torque multiplication, and stable and reliable drilling. The drilling rig tower adopts a 5-axis design for greater stability. The drilling rig crawler adopts steel crawler, 9 tons and 43 sections, which is very flexible to drive on difficult roads. If you are interested in our drilling rig, please feel free to contact us.